Hi, welcome to Math and Computer Tutorial channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.
Hi, for today's video, we are now on part 2 of our MOS Excel Certification Practice Exam tutorial. So we will use this worksheet for our practice set exercise today. Okay, so we have now here 5 instructions that we need to accomplish for this exercise. Okay, so let us do this instructions one at a time. Okay, let's start. Okay, so we are now here in our worksheet for this tutorial today. So we have two worksheets. We have the vehicles and solve worksheet. Okay, we need to do this segment by segment one at a time. Okay, so for instruction number 1, on the solved worksheet, so you have to click the solved worksheet here. Okay, insert a new column before column A. So you have to simply click now your column A headings and then right click your mouse, click insert. Okay, then as you can see, you have no new column on column A. Okay, so for instruction number 2 on the solved worksheet, so same worksheet, configure rows 14 through 17. So they are present but not visible. So it means that we need to hide these rows 14 to 17 rows. Okay, mouse on row 14 and then drag it up to row 17. Okay, then to hide this row, simply right click your mouse again and then click hide. Okay, for instruction number 3 on the vehicles worksheet, so click now the vehicles worksheet. Okay, instruction 3, add subtotals to the price column that displays the combined price for each type with a page break between each type. So we have to add subtotals to the price. Okay, so we need to get a subtotal of the price for each type of the vehicles. Okay, so to do this, so making sure that you are on your table. So you click anywhere on your table, and then from your data menu, we have here the outline group. We have the subtotal. Click the subtotal here. Okay, so you have now the subtotal. So it says here that display the combined price for each type. So at each type, change in should be type. Okay, we need to combine price for each type. So at each type, so we have to choose the type column headings. Okay, because we will get the subtotal of each type. Because as you can see, okay, and then use the function sum because we need to get the total. Okay, so add subtotal to the price. So add subtotal to. So making sure that you have to click the price here. Okay, get the subtotal price of each type. Okay, so replace. You have to put page break between groups. Okay, with a page break between each type. So you have to click. Okay, then click now. Okay. So as you can see now, okay, so we have now subtotal for each type of vehicles. Okay, so for instruction number 4, on the solved worksheet, so click now solved worksheet again. Okay, so this is instruction 4, format the table so that every other row is shaded. Use a technique that automatically updates the formatting if you insert a new row. Okay, to format your table, make sure that your cursor is within your table. Okay, so that the table design menu is available. As you can see, if your cursor is outside your table, the table design menu is not available here. Okay, so click any part on your table, then you have your table design menu now. Okay, click your table design and then format the table that every other row is shaded. So that is the banded rows. So in the table style option, click now the banded rows. Okay, so the banded rows, as you can see that every other row is shaded. Okay, okay, next. Instruction number 5. On the vehicles worksheet, so click again the vehicles worksheet here. So don't forget to click the worksheet first. Okay, in the code column, so we have the code column here on column B, column cell B4. Okay, so click now your B4. Create a formula that returns the two leftmost letters of the vehicle style displayed in cell D4. Okay, so we have this style here on D4. So we need to get the first two leftmost letters of this style. So on your B4, type now equal sign. So we'll use the left function. Okay, so we use the left function here. So click now your left function. So your text is the style, which is on the D4. So we have two arguments. We have the text, comma, number of characters. So for your text, that is your D4, which is this style displayed on cell D4. Okay, and then comma, number of characters. So how many characters that we need to display? We have two leftmost letters. So we'll type now 2 here. Okay, close parenthesis, then press enter key. Okay, then double click your cursor here. Okay, so you have now two letters, the two leftmost letters for every style. Okay. Okay, so we are done with practice set number 2. Okay, so I hope that you learned something from this tutorial. Okay, see you on the next practice set of this tutorial. Thank you and see you to my next video.